Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an online Python compiler. We will cover the fundamental architecture, starting with the user-facing web interface. Then, we will delve into the server-side logic that securely executes Python code. Finally, we will discuss crucial security measures and deployment strategies to make your compiler robust and accessible for everyone. For the client side, you will design an intuitive web interface using standard web technologies. HTML structures the page, CSS provides styling, and JavaScript handles all user interactions. Integrating a specialized code editor, such as CodeMirror, offers features like syntax highlighting and line numbers, greatly enhancing the user experience for writing Python code efficiently and comfortably. On the server side, you will establish a robust backend using a framework like Flask or Django. This server will host an API endpoint to accept Python code submitted from the client. Crucially, the code must execute within a secure, isolated environment, often a sandbox, to prevent any malicious actions. The server then captures the program's output and any errors, sending them back to the user. Security is paramount for an online compiler. Implement strong sandboxing techniques to isolate user code, preventing it from accessing system resources or harming the server. Always validate and sanitize user input to guard against injection attacks. Once secure, deploy your application to a scalable cloud platform, ensuring high availability. Regular monitoring of performance and security is essential for long-term stability and user trust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.